Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of AustinMy_238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Good morning, guys. Last night we did have a severe thunderstorm, and that will cause us the loudest thunder ever. So this has turned into another intense storm. So I want to quit with you guys if you want to see that. And now this happens. The power was out for like seconds, and then after that the power was back on, and the light just turned on. So I'm kind of stunned right now. Oh my god, so because at around feels like 1:30 or 1:40 the power was out, and then it came back on. So it's been on for like probably like 30 minutes ago, and then I'm kind of stoned. I just took off my BiPAP mask and interrupt my sleep, watching YouTube on my Switch. I don't know what's going on. It's just intense now. But I believe it's going to pass, so I'm going back to bed. So I was afraid of a storm. I took off the BiPAP mask, and then after that, the power was out, and it came back on, and the lights came back on. So I'm stoned right now. So when the storm is lifted, I'm physically go back to sleep, and then after that, I just woke up a little bit tired side. So I'm a stoner right now. So right now I'm playing Saints Waterford. There's no way I can go out here today to do Fall 76 with you guys because I'm stunned right now. So anyway, I'm just relaxing in bed, and yeah. So anyway, having some donuts, having some cheeseburger, chicken nuggets, and for dessert I'm having chocolate glazed donut because without today only it is chocolate glazed donuts and Krispy Kreme, so I will do that after I eat. There it is. That's the chocolate glazed donut. It's available only today, so get it before they're gone. Look at that. They're from Krispy Kreme. Alright guys, fast forward many hours later. I'm still in bed. My mom just went to the store, get something, but I'm still sitting on the bed, guys. There's no way I can go out here today because the severe weather just woke me up in the middle of the night. So yeah, I'm just relaxing in bed, but I did record a quick video of Saints Waterford, but no missings today. But I will promise I will do more sometime this weekend or next week. So Yeah, because yesterday I've done 2 missions. So yeah, if you want to go check it out, one stream I want to games, my gaming channel, and my original channel, which you couldn't watch this vlog. Go check it out. Alright guys, so I'm sorry the vlog is short, but I gotta go ahead and end this vlog. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I might not play more since for the first, so yeah. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and more content. And remember, as all adventures want to be. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. And also, tomorrow's Labor Day. So, yeah. I forgot to say anything about Labor Day. So, tomorrow is the start of Labor Day weekend. So, see you guys then. So, that concludes our vlog. So, see you later. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Kim 17's channel. Until next time, peace.